you pop in the inner brake pad like so. Slide on the caliper and you do everything in reverse. Put your 2 bolts in, catch the other one at the top, same thing. Then I just reattach the 7mm hex key to the rest of the set to be able to tighten these up. Put your plastic covers back on like that. Go back around to the front, put on your spring clip. I like to start with the bottom and then hold the top one in place and then use a screwdriver to slide it in place. Then just tap it with a hammer, make sure it's all the way on. Make sure you got everything on and in place. Check it out. Go ahead and straighten that wheel up. Put your tire back on. Drop it down. Do the same thing for the other side.